Good morning, church. It's Sunday, September 11th. Welcome to Larbert Pentecostal Church at Larbert High School. On the way shortly, John Rollo is here with this morning's sermon.
We confess you're limitless. Our greatest dreams could never hold.
And tonight at Broomage Avenue, we have a visiting speaker, Pastor Arthur O'Malley from Elderslie AOG Church, now renamed Eastgate Church. Again, let me draw your attention to the fire and safety measures in place here at Larbert High School. Please study this morning's handout for full details. And the children's creche still needs helpers. Please speak to Tiffany or Alison. Now then, this week at LPC, we start off tomorrow morning with our Monday morning prayer meeting at 8:30, and in the evening, Fusion is at 7 p.m. On Tuesday, the coffee morning is at 10 a.m, and then we spring clean the church from 12 noon. And I'm sure an extra pair of hands won't go amiss. On Wednesday, our evening worship service is at 7:15 with Alan McLean. Thursday at LPC starts off at 9:30 a.m. with toddlers, tots and twos. And in the evening, the Connect men's group are playing five-a-side football. The Friday prayer meeting starts at 9 a.m. and in the evening, Power Kids is at 6:30 and DNA later on at 8:30. Now next weekend, we're going to be very busy at LPC. Please encourage all your neighbours, your friends, your relatives to come to our Big Family Fun Day at the Dobie Hall from 1 o'clock to 4 p.m. And on the topic of the Big Fun Day, we still need volunteers to do a leaflet drop. Please see Alf or Irene. Now, next Sunday, following 10:30 prayers, the morning service speaker is Pastor Michael Rollo. And in the evening, a very special evening, we have Annie Meadows from the United States of America in concert at 6:15 at Broomage Avenue. Now, let me remind you about our September missions offering. This month, it's going to Evangelical Action Missions in Brazil. Please put your offerings, as usual, in an envelope marked missions. And finally, Larbert Pentecostal Church is holding a very special evening on Saturday the 1st of October with a very special guest speaker. We will host an evening of stunning testimony from a man who grew up in China and became a third-time Kung Fu world champion. And he is the author of the book The Taming of the Tiger. Yes, I'm talking about Tony Anthony. Also appearing the same night, a lady who is amazing people and churches around the globe with her multi-instrumental musical skills and her inspired songs. She's going to be accompanied by her husband on violin. She is Stephanie Staples. Don't miss this Saturday night to remember at LPC. Put it in your diary now. It's Saturday the 1st of October. And that's it. That's LPC News for this week. So once again, it's thanks to you for listening.
Stir a fire in us with your power inside.